Hey, welcome everyone. My name is Chris Malazzi, one of the product specialists here in the Pitney Bowes Online Demo Center, here to demonstrate for you the SendPro P-Series, a new era for integrated mailing, office shipping, and inbound package management. The SendPro P-Series is the first system that fully integrates both mailing and shipping, where you can now qualify for discounted shipping rates from the U.S. Postal Service. The SendPro P-Series can even link you directly to your FedEx or UPS account so that you can ship packages with those carriers from the same system where you process your mail. Need to automate and track the receipt of incoming packages? No problem. The SendPro P-Series has an integrated package management software so you will know when each and every package was received. Beyond shipping and receiving, what's also unique is that the SendPro P-Series is the first system that allows high-resolution color printing across the top of your envelope. This printing flexibility enables you to print a return address, logos, and even promotional messages that add high impact to every mail piece you send, from general correspondence, invoice and statement runs, to direct marketing letters. The cost benefit may be significant since printing from the mailing system can be far less expensive than buying pre-printed envelopes, especially for those occasional short runs. We recognize that managing all outbound and inbound correspondence are all part of doing business. Yet these seemingly simple tasks can be a complicated, time-consuming process that demand proper attention. That's why we developed the SendPro P-Series. We offer several models that may be right for your needs. SendPro offers you an opportunity to take control of everyday challenges with integrated capabilities that go far beyond just printing postage on an envelope. Let's talk about the new Pitney Bowes Commerce Cloud and how it interacts with the new SendPro P-Series. In the past few years, web-based applications and digital printing have changed the way we do business. The broadband connection of SendPro P-Series allows a high-speed transfer of data and access to web content directly on the device. For example, users can access your account at pb.com, access the Custom Supplies webpage for purchasing ink and tape, and Presort Savings and Services portal to learn more about how to save using Presort services provided exclusively by Pitney Bowes. The Track a Package app is another example of real-time access. Here you can see the delivery tracking information for major carriers. With a simple touch, the operator can quickly respond to a request for the tracking status of a package or parcel for any carrier. Another great web app is the ability to verify an address right from the P-Series screen. You can do this for any mail piece that might be missing a zip code or has a partial address that needs checking. You can even use it for return mail to check the address and then reprocess it. All of this is done on demand from the touchscreen. More power to the user, a more efficient mail center. The SendPro P-Series is designed with an integrated accounting capability. It leverages the color touch display, providing clear views of data including account numbers, rates, classes, and total postage spent for both meters and permit mail. Just touch the icon to quickly generate reports. You can even export the data as an Excel or CSV or even as a PDF. Other options for reporting include the consolidation of information from multiple systems across a building, campus, or even the enterprise. The P-Series accounting data can even be viewed securely from a desktop PC with internet access. You can be at your desktop and access the information you need when you need it. Sending out bills, statements, and customer communications is a necessary and demanding part of your organization. Occasionally, you'll have large envelopes that cannot be sent as first-class letters when they are extra thick, extra wide, or over 13 ounces. For that, you can benefit from the SendPro P-Series' integrated shipping capabilities. The P-Series enables you to send packages through the U.S. Postal Service at discounted rates with the integrated capability of printing a shipping label right from the P-Series display. This integration provides a simpler, more streamlined way for you to save on large envelopes, priority mail, and other package delivery services. All of the rating selections are done from the same touchscreen display you use for processing letter mail. A compliant shipping label is automatically produced on this attached label printer. It's that easy. For packages or expedited envelopes, the SendPro P-Series takes away guesswork by allowing you to save with the USPS commercial-based pricing program. Simply produce a shipping label and save. But in addition, you can also gain access to both FedEx and UPS through your SendPro P-Series. With this integration, you can select from any of the 3 carriers, select the services, and review rates, and produce a compliant shipping label. Very importantly, with FedEx and UPS, the P-Series uses your negotiated rates. You are still billed by the carriers using the normal process, but now you can process these shipments directly from your mailing system. We know that you already have a method to ship with FedEx and UPS. Perhaps you're using their website services, or perhaps a computer-based system somewhere in your office. With the P-Series from Pitney Bowes, you can integrate that capability into the same system as where you process your mailing and postal shipments. This consolidation can save you time and expense. But there's one additional benefit. These same shipping capabilities can be leveraged from your desktop computers within your office or even in remote locations. So wherever the package originates, senders outside the mail center can complete the full processing of the package, whether it's with the post office, FedEx, or UPS. So in one application, your mail center or office staff can compare shipping options for USPS, FedEx, or UPS. You can even access USPS discounts as well as your contracted rates with FedEx and UPS. Print professional labels with an integrated label printer, track all shipments, and manage costs for all 3 carriers in one consolidated report. Mailings often happen toward the end of the day, when your final communications are handed off to the Postal Service. Shipping may happen throughout the day and also handed off to the carriers toward the end of the day. But what about the early part of the day? An important and often overlooked process happens every day in most businesses, that is, receiving packages. With the SendPro P-Series, you can automate and streamline the receipt and management of incoming packages. With the simple scan of the package barcode, the P-Series instantly captures available package information, including carrier, tracking number, date and time of receipt, and may include recipient and sender information. The P-Series keeps a history report of all of your incoming packages. You will know when each and every package was received into your organization. Why automate tracking of inbound packages? Several reasons: security, control, and to provide a chain of custody. The receiving capability is standard in every P-Series system. In addition, you have options to add a remote scanner so that an employee outside the mail center may scan and record the inbound deliveries. This option also includes the ability to notify recipients that a package has arrived, saving you and your team valuable time in helping to keep things running smoothly in your office. The most recognizable element of the SendPro P-Series is the color touchscreen display. Here, users can access all the operational features of the system with just a quick touch of a finger or the use of a stylus. The user has 3 main windows to begin their key task. They are mailing, shipping, or receiving. Touching any one of them takes you into that specific operation. No matter where you go in the system, you can always touch the home button to return you to this starting point. Let me demonstrate how easy the system is to use. Let's take a look at rate selection. With this large color display, full details of rates, prices, and services are displayed and easily selected. Even data entries such as zip codes are easy to enter with the on-screen keyboard. Features are no longer buried in menus. Cryptic text has been replaced by intuitive graphics and full unabbreviated English. The simplicity of SendPro P-Series builds confidence in every user. For users that enter a lot of data, such as long account numbers or tracking codes, a wireless keyboard or barcode scanner are available. These configurations ensure that the SendPro P-Series is tailored to your needs, delivering accuracy and productivity like no other system. You can also set up presets for your most common jobs and have access to those jobs with the simple touch. 2 screen sizes are available for the SendPro P-Series, just depending on your preference for the amount of information you want to display. The 15-inch display has an additional benefit. It's detachable and has a built-in stand. This allows you to place the display on a table, which might be more convenient for some users. Everything on the SendPro P-Series is just a touch away, easy to use, easy to understand. The SendPro P-Series is a connected device allowing high-speed transfers of data and information. This gives you virtually unlimited memory capacity for data and backup security, and access to real-time web content directly from the device. Most important for you is the system can be efficiently managed, which saves you costs and maximizes the resources of the mail center. Another benefit of the high-speed connection is the help feature. Help is always available to the users. It should be. Since the SendPro P-Series is connected, the user merely touches the question mark to pull up an accurate, up-to-date help system that can answer any questions. Multimedia content is provided on demand to ensure ease of use and training of new employees. This live content is always up to date. The SendPro P-Series is a robust, highly productive system that sets a new standard in the industry. The SendPro P-Series meets the highest standards for postal funds management, weighing and rating, tracking and accounting. And the flexibility of the design ensures that future requirements can be met. All of the advantages you expect from today's technology. The feeding, weighing, and printing operations are fast and accurate. Enhanced feed rollers ensure that envelopes are aligned as they enter the system. Envelope separation is one of the best designs in the industry, protecting you from double feeds and stoppages during a mail run. The SendPro P-Series can offer shape-based rating and weigh on the way, or WOW, to weigh each mail piece, measure its length, width, and thickness while being processed to make sure that it meets postal regulations and gets accurate postage. The SendPro P-Series also has an external weighing platform for larger envelopes and parcels, and produces tapes that are easy to apply. You make a significant investment in the contents of mail from concept to design to production, but sometimes may not pay attention to how it's packaged. An envelope's contents do not matter much if the envelope doesn't get to the right person, isn't opened in time, or opened at all. We often overlook the fact that the envelope is part of the message. It tells the recipient who you are, what you want, and the importance of urgency of the contents. 3 things are going to drive the openability and response to every communication sent: branding, relevance, and color. Branding allows the recipient to make a decision about whether they have a relationship with you or even want a relationship with you. Relevance will determine how soon the mail piece is opened or discarded. Color is what makes one mail piece stand out from all others in the pile. It's what drives home the brand. The words and the images reinforce the relevance. And it's what makes the recipient take the next step, which is to open that mail piece. The SendPro P-Series is not only a mailing system, but an envelope messaging system. It allows you to take advantage of printing full-color text and graphics on your envelopes. It's all done in a single pass, taking no extra time, and allows you to drive the openability and response rate of every communication you send. You control the content and you control the messaging on every envelope. With this full color printing flexibility, you are in charge. You're no longer restricted to the envelopes that are in stock with pre-printed addresses or images. You control how your envelopes look on the day you process the mail piece. Here on the main display of the SendPro P-Series, you can see the system shows you what the envelope looks like before processing. Notice the graphics shown here, including a return address, logo, and this special message printed in the center. Each model within the SendPro P-Series has the ability to print full-color graphics at the same time as you print postage. And this can include a return address, logos, and just about any graphics or text that will make your mail stand out. With a traditional mailing system, you only really print postage. As a result, the user interface was basic and only indicated information related to postal transactions. Another advantage is its web-based design tool. This allows you or anyone in your organization to download specific graphics to your system. Using this web tool from any computer, you can upload an image, format it for the desired size, add text if desired, and send it directly to your system. Once downloaded, the images are stored in the graphics library in the SendPro P-Series for selection when the mail piece is processed. It can be added to any job or selected when the mail is run. To create or modify an envelope, you simply touch the screen. You now have direct control of the images printed on the envelope. You can select the graphic. You can even control the position. Here I'll select a different graphic. Once you're happy with the result, you confirm and the SendPro P-Series takes care of the rest. A job can also be modified and saved with the new name. Let me select a different job and print permit mail with a custom return address, company logo, and special marketing message to drive urgency for the recipient. SendPro P-Series can print one or all of the required elements for permit mail, including your logo and return address on the left to the USPS permit on the right. All of this can be customized and all defined at the moment of mailing. Again, you're not restricted to pre-printed stock that has been ordered weeks in advance, stock that often had to be printed in thousands just to get a good price. As you eliminate those pre-printed envelopes, you'll find that the operational benefits increase with every mail run. When you invest in any new technology, you're looking for a solution that is intuitive, helps you be more efficient, and one that's accurate. The SendPro P-Series is incredibly easy to use. It makes operations simple for something that otherwise might be complex. Let's look at how the SendPro P-Series can not only weigh and rate your mail as it's processed, but also how the system knows where to place that return address graphic. When you're using the SendPro P-Series to print on the left of the envelope, you won't have to sort or separate your envelopes before the run. The SendPro P has sensors that determine exactly where the left edge of the envelope is, so that when the mail is processed, the return address will always be printed at the left margin, no matter what size envelope you're sending. The best way to see this in action is with a simple demonstration. Now, it would be too easy to send these through like this. So watch me as I change the size of these three envelopes and let the SendPro P do the rest. As I now process these three envelopes with three different lengths, you can see the result. The SendPro P-Series knew exactly where the left edge was and printed the return address accordingly. Of course, you're not going to slice your envelopes like I did, but you do have a variety of mail sizes, and you can be sure that with the automatic justification feature unique to the P-Series, you'll be able to manage the on-demand printing of return address and other graphics with 100% accuracy. The SendPro P-Series is not just another replacement for what's in the mailroom now. The P-Series is a solution that adds value to the broader organization. With this system, you'll be able to add promotional messages to your envelopes that highlight your brand, promote your social media sites, and engage your customers. Let's take a look at what some customers are doing. Remember, you can leverage social media by incorporating your Facebook or LinkedIn company sites onto your outbound mail. Promote your YouTube channel to drive recipients to the web for viewing your latest products or services. One way to make this more efficient is with the QR code, a customizable code that links to web content and can be scanned by most smartphones or mobile devices today. Not only will your mail stand out, but you'll provide an embedded link to your company website, a YouTube video, or any URL you choose. Do you want to get your permit mail noticed and opened? Add some color and a promotional message. The SendPro P-Series allows you to do this easily with graphics-only mode. Want to dress up your daily or transactional mail? Add a seasonal message in color, or add a colorful graphic that invites the receiver to open the mail now. You can even reference a special offer inside the envelope to capture the attention of the audience. Have a certain cause you support or campaign you're driving? With the SendPro P-Series, you can add text and graphics that show how the organization works with a community group or charity. These messages can go directly on any mail piece and can significantly impact the invoices and statements. Let your customers know that you are involved in the community and that you care. They'll be more likely to work with you again, and if you share the value of the good things that you do. The SendPro P-Series can print on the back flap of an envelope, where there's often blank space available for messaging. Why not send mail through the system and efficiently print any number of images on the back of the envelope? This is like a blank billboard on the highway with a huge opportunity. On this example, I put a social networking message. But you can do anything. Take advantage of this valuable space that will make your mail stand out from the crowd. With the SendPro P-Series, you can connect your customers in a new and exciting way. Leverage the potential of the mail you're already investing in, and remember, every connection is a new opportunity. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. Please contact us to learn more about the SendPro family. Your account manager can work with you on the SendPro P-Series or our online software to help meet your office and mail center shipping needs. Thank you and have a fantastic day.